Hello and welcome to Deathy Tech Thoughts. Today we're going to put together a build that consists of an Intel i5 6600K with a 1TB hard drive, a GTX 1060 6GB. It's an Evo 212 air-cooled heatsink. Our motherboard is going to be an MSI 170 Z170 SLI Plus motherboard. That motherboard does have 3.1 USB Thunderbolt. We're going to be using a 500 watt power supply by EVGA, and yeah, I think that's we have we have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, which is made by PNY, and it's called the Anarchy version. It's DDR4 2400. So let's go ahead and get this built. Got the RAM in. Wait to put the video card in. We got the processor in the socket here, which is EVGA 1151. Go ahead. Oh. Alright, we're going to go ahead and hook the power supply into the, or should we put the motherboard in first? I would say put the motherboard in first. Right now we're hooking in all the lovely case wires. Next up, he's doing the power supply. Next, he's going to put the hard drives in. I'm only going to put one in right now. we're just putting the power to the motherboard on here now. And we put the CPU power in. Alright, now I can put the casement in last. I'm going to put the video card in. Here's the final design, final crap. We know the cable management sucks. If you start posting YouTube comments about that, we're going to block you.
No.
We're just kidding. We know it sucks, so you don't need to remind us.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Wow. Anyway, this is the final design. Let's try to prop it up. This is a very cheap case, so the cable management just does not exist anymore. It was a $20 case. So, let's see if it posts.
Hey. It posted!
Here we go.
Yay!
You always hate those 20 seconds of, like, first post crap. Now, we already have a hard drive that has Windows 10 on it, so let's hope it boots the Windows 10 real quick. And we got the little circle-y thing, as
Yay.
J2 Cents would say.
Yay, Pro Series, like it said.
Yeah.
And we're at a blue screen.
We're right about at the login screen. Now keep in mind, I'm not booting off of a solid state drive. Just not that rich. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's my daughter. Yes, I have kids. Try filming videos without kids.
It started.
We got it. Now the drivers are a little funky, but
what are you gonna do?
we got it to work.
Yep.
As always, thank you for watching Deathy Tech Tips, and
it's Deathy Tech Thoughts.
Whatever, Deathy Tech Thoughts, I don't care. You know what, my mind's shot after putting a computer together. Alright, have a good day.
And if you like us, subscribe to us. And if you want to support us, click our Amazon link in the bio or description below. Thank you, have a good day.